How's it going, everybody? I got a box in the mail today. This is something for the Camaro, so let's open it up. Alright, so this is a package from a company called ProClip USA. They make custom phone mounts for all kinds of different cars, and they sent me out this package so I could review their 6th gen Camaro phone mount for you guys. And I'm very excited to install it and review it for you guys because for the last 2 years in this car, my phone spot has been the passenger seat, the back seats, or my cup holders. So yeah, it's just been in the way forever. I just never got around to buying one, so I'm very glad to finally have a mount. So let's open it up and see how it installs. Okay, so if you want to open these arms wider in order to fit a phone like a plus size phone, you just loosen these screws and they open up. Alright, to get the swivel piece off, you just got to loosen the screw in here and then you just kind of yank it off lightly and it'll come off. Now that we have this piece off, we'll line it up here with the holes and attach it. Alright, so we use the little 4 screws it came with to put it on, and there you go. Alright, so the mount is complete, and when you're ready to put it on, you just remove the tape there, and it shows the adhesive, and then you just put it on like so. You attach this little bottom here, and then kind of push it back. Bam! Right there. That is how it goes. Let's put the phone in there. Just slides right in. Bam! Oh yeah. Finally, a phone mount in the Camaro, and I like how it sticks just right here and it doesn't fall down unless you really force it down, because you need to attach a wire right here for Android Auto to work. So they thought of that. It doesn't really slip down. I mean, you could force it down and it'll go, but you know, you could also just push it up right about there, and there we go. A little area for the wire will go in here. Android Auto. So it's finally out of the way. Don't have to put it in the cup holder on the seat or in the back like I usually do. Oh, it's nice. Very nice. I really like this fitting. It looks nice. It doesn't look cheap at all. It's a lot better than, like, obviously, you know, one of those air vent clips wouldn't even work in a car like this. So the ProClip has this one. I like the way this one looks, but they do have a dash one as well. So if you didn't have to clip Android Auto into the phone for it to work, I would have actually done the dash right here. It would have been pretty cool looking. But since you have to have that wire, I don't want a wire like draping this way while I'm shifting. And oh, there we go. There's another good point. Let's see. Oh, 5th gear works. That's totally fine. Out of the way. It is totally fine. Don't even get close. I'd have to like extend. So yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much, ProClip USA, for sending me one of these. That is an awesome phone mount you got there. It's a custom fit. You can see how they mounted it. I mean, they custom make all of these, so really cool. 10 out of 10 would clip again. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.
Did you ever give a damn in the first place? Maybe it's time you had the tables turned, and in the interest of all involved, they got the problem solved, and the verdict is guilty. Man in the kill me, stepping way in the tread, stop, drop, and roll. You were dead from the get-go, you big mouth fucker, stupid cocksucker. Are you scared of me now? But you're dumb, and then I thought always is and never was.